Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how I face paint an easy bunny. So first I'm going to use one of these cosmetic wedges and use a regular tag white and activate it with water. And first I'm going to start off around the muzzle area of the bunny. Then I'm going to take it all the way around the boy's eye area. I made a couple of mistakes, so I'm going to take a wipe to just erase or wipe off some of the paint. I accidentally wiped off some paint, so I'm just using the same cosmetic wedge and just painting over the areas where I accidentally erased the paint. Take a pointed brush . I'm using tag regular pink. And guys, this is not a sponsored by Tag. I just want to share what I use to face paint this bunny. So use a cosmetic wedge and I'm going to paint the tip of the nose. Okay, so I'm going to paint the two front teeth of the bunny, and this I'm going to use a small flat brush. I'm going to take my pointed brush and black face paint, and I'm going to paint the philtrum of the bunny. I'm going to go ahead and outline the two front teeth. Again with the black face paint and my pointed brush, I'm going to work around the eye area, add some eyelashes, and outline the rest of the face of the bunny. Paint some whiskers on. Again guys, this is a perfect design, a beginner level design, and this is great for last minute costumes, for Easter theme parties, and I hope you guys like my design. I'm not a skilled painter yet. I'm also a beginner level, so please bear with me. And if you like this video, kindly give this a like video and subscribe to my channel, please. And we painted an easy, cute little bunny. Now I will show you how I made this 2-balloon easy bunny ears headband. Take a balloon pump, 2 160 pink balloon, or you can also use a 260 and your choice of balloon color. I have 2 inflated 160 pink balloons. Take the balloons and tie them together. Now measure the child's head. Now I will shape the ears. I also added some flowers to the bunny ears. I just think this makes it a lot cuter, but again, this is entirely optional. A fast, cute, simple bunny ears. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.